diving. Crystal just got yelled at again. She's like, Hershey, yeah, what's new? Hershey. This is what I need at my house. And I told you guys, my friend Helen, she wants to get a dock diving pool, which I guarantee you that's high freaking maintenance. I said, all you need is to get a dock. Dock diving pools are for people that don't have ponds. We need to get my friend Carl, who's supposed to come and take us out on the boat. I think this dock is loaded.
Mm-hmm.
Right, if they don't go get it, we got a problem. Of course, maybe we could get that guy with his boat to go get it. He's like, yeah, fuck off, lady.
Better learn how to swim. They keep one of them dogs.
We're trying, we're teaching them. They're not fast learners. Make sure you get this, Crystal. Well, you missed that. He sank like a log, but... Ah, that's my boy. That's my boy. All right, the problem is he's going to have to go back up this way. He's going to be able to get back. What a nice goal. Oh, Hershey's so jealous. Bailey, I forgot Hershey. Oh, Tyson's ready to go. Look at him go. Now he's ready. He is at the ready. Bailey, you got to leap, buddy. You can't just... You need to get up there, Crystal, because he jumped and then he sank. He was all the way under. He's a tremendous retriever. All right, these people are like, okay, why do these people be right here scaring all our bait away? All right, look at Tyson. He's ready to go. Where did it all go this time? There he goes. There they all go. Bailey sank again. Bailey's a sinker. I'm sure we scared him all the way. I'm sorry. Well, the upside is Tyson drops it. But hopefully Bailey sees it and brings it back. Hopefully Tyson's training is coming to fruition. I think what you should do is, I'll do it one more time, but I think what, good boy, Tyson, good boy. Oh, it was a little shaky there. I think you should go on that dock and film it, them going off. It'll be a better... Billy? Good boy, Tyson. Seemed like he actually brought it back because, well, I've got to tell you, no, these things are pretty expensive. Come on, Hershey. Tyson. Oh, he is at the ready. You gotta get him more than one toy. Billy, Hershey. I get a couple. Well, you know what, Crystal? All right, guys, we're gonna end the episode. I'm gonna